Well, this is a window application we call a retrofit. This is a vinyl window that we've installed here in this wall. As you will notice, this window has the nailing flange applied by the factory. Prior to this window going in, we had trimmed this out around the siding so that we could expose the old nailing flange on the old original aluminum window. Removed it, installed this new window. We've completed that application with a waterproof membrane flashing around the perimeter. This gives us a good airtight, watertight seal. We will then cut a piece of trim, which I have here, custom fit, snug around the existing window, or the new window rather. It gets fastened in. We'll then run a final bead of caulking around the trim and the siding, as well as the window vent, the trim, and can complete the installation. This is now an ALMA certified installation approved by Installation Masters in Washington.